If you have been mining Rubi coin for a very long time, maybe more than a month, 2 months, or 3 months, but yet you have not gotten invitation for your KYC, then I want to use this video to show you how you can apply for your KYC and get your invitation very fast. So you don't have to wait for a very long time until it is your turn. But you can do what I want to do in this video to fast track the process of you getting invitation for your RUBI KYC. The first thing you are supposed to do is to first confirm whether you have been invited or not. And you can get this confirmation by coming to this place here, the notification bell here. You click on this place to show if you have received message for your RUBI KYC verification or not. So it will show among all the message you will see here. That's how to get, that's how to first confirm maybe you have been invited or not. And the second means of you confirming is by you coming to your profile here. You click on the profile here. I've clicked on it and it will show you your my information and user verification. You click on the user verification here. I click on it, user verification, and you come to your eKYC. Once you have come to your eKYC, if you have not been verified, it will show unverified you. But if you have been verified, it will show verified for you. But me as a person, I have already been verified. So if you show unverified for you, then you click on the unverified and you see that it's going to tick two things for you in that place, that you have already submitted your information for more than 60 days, and you have also explored more than 30 RUBI. And the third part will not be ticked, which is RUBI invitation. So that means that you have not been. If the third space for the RUBI invitation has not been ticked, then it is advisable for you to now apply by yourself. So how do you apply for this RUBI KYC by yourself? Just come to this place here. You come to this third icon here. After the discovery, you come to this place. You click on it. You click on it. Then you click on statistics. You click on this statistics here. I click on statistics. Then once you have clicked on statistics, you come to these three lines here that is going to show for us. Sorry for all these advertisements. So you come to these three lines here that you are seeing here. You click on it. You click on it. Then after that, you can see new member, you can see old members, and you can see KYC status. So just click on this new member. It has been clicked already. Then already KYC, not KYC, all. Select this all here. Just click on all. It has been selected already. Then the second space here, you also click on all here. On this second space, either mining or. So after you have clicked on all for this new member, then you click on apply here. I click on apply. I click on apply. All right. So if you are an old member, you just do the same thing, the same process for it. You click on the three icons here. You click on the line. Then you click on old member for both you and your downlines and those that you have referred also. Then you click on all, and you click on apply also. So through this method, your KYC invitation can be fast tracked and you can be expecting yourself to get invited very soon. All right, thanks for watching, guys. That is what I want to share to you in this short video. Thanks for watching and let us meet in my subsequent video.